Welcome to my CryptoKit review. Today we will be seeing what are the features that CryptoKit is offering, so let's get started. Basically, CryptoKit is a cloud-hosted, brandable cryptocurrency decentralized exchange, or DEX for short, allowing people to connect their crypto wallets, or create one on their website and buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies, earning their passive, automated fees from every transaction. But that's just the tip of the iceberg for earning potential. Let's see CryptoKit features. With CryptoKit you'll get multiple automated crypto systems in a beautifully packaged white label app, beginner-friendly activation. Our average person, completely new to the system, has their entire crypto site set up, branded and profit-ready in about 1 minute. There's no editing code, no designing pages, no tricky configurations. Everything is done in your easy-to-use members dashboard. Brandable crypto software. Make your website have the look and feel you want by customizing the colors, changing the text and uploading your own logo. It's got the professional feel of a high-end website to build trust and authority right out of the box. Crypto Wallet Creator. Visitors arriving on your website will be prompted to connect their crypto wallet, or if they don't have one they can create a wallet on your website. Making this easy even for people who've never heard about crypto before. It's safe, secure and completely anonymous, so anyone can get their start on your website in a snap. DEX trading platform. Your website lets people to use their credit cards to buy Bitcoin, or Ethereum, Solana or any other cryptocurrency in the system. They can trade between currencies or send and receive tokens to customers or friends. You'll receive an admin transaction fee for every transaction, added directly into your wallet. Also here is an gamified reward system. Members of your website are offered the chance to claim regular crypto rewards, for just clicking a few buttons. In the demo CryptoKit website we offered up to 50 Satoshi coins every 15 minutes. To claim their coins they click here to start, then they'll see your second ad and solve the CAPTCHA. Then on this page they'll see your third ad displayed and how much they've won. What your member doesn't realize is that while you're paying them 50 Satoshi, which sounds exciting and can definitely add up, it only costs you about 1 or 2 cents. The ads you just displayed earned you between 0.002 and 0.005 of Bitcoin, which might not sound like much, but right now that works out to about 50 cents to $1 worth of Bitcoin. That's every 15 minutes, from just one member. Imagine what this could look like with 10, 50 or 100 people active on your site, or crazier still, what if the price of Bitcoin doubles, triples or more? Also there are additional games like engaging lottery games, addictive coin flip games. Each time they play, your ads are also displayed, boosting your advertising earnings even further. Tracking and custom scripts. Tracking and customizing your CryptoKit traffic is easy. Simply add your Google Analytics ID or your Facebook pixel and it's ready to go. Let's take a look at the bonuses. Bonus 1. Affiliate Traffic System. Your CryptoKit website comes with an automatically enabled affiliate traffic system. Your members are given an affiliate link to share, that will automatically reward them with 10% of whatever their friends earn on your site. They'll excitedly see their balance grow, earning them passive Satoshi coins, while your website gets busier with more people clicking ads, playing games and earning you more Bitcoin. Bonus 2. Automated Blog. Your CryptoKit comes with an inbuilt content-generating blog. Simply add up to 5 RSS feeds and your blog will be automatically updated whenever those RSS feeds have new content to share. If you decided to buy CryptoKit, you can visit the official CryptoKit website link given in the description and pinned comment. That's for all today. Thanks for watching.